Good morning. This is Devi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Marine. Today we are going to see the topic is functions. So first, give the introduction about the function. The strength of C language is the function. This is the main strength of the C language. They are easy to define and use. We have used functions in every program that we have discussed so far. In earlier we all discussed about the functions in each program. However, they have been primarily limited to the three functions, namely main, printf, scanf. That is, main means void main, printf, scanf, like this. This is the main primary function. C functions can be classified into two categories, namely library functions and user-defined functions. Library function, that is the built-in functions. User-defined function is user will give the name of function name. Main is an example of user-defined function, and printf, scanf belongs to the category of library function, that is comes under the built-in function. The main distinction between these two categories is that library functions are not required be written, whereas user-defined function has to developed by the user at the time of writing a program. However, a user-defined function can later become a part of C programming library. In fact, this is one of the strength of C. So define for this is the these are the some introduction about function. Next we will see on the definition of functions. A function defined, it is also known as the implementation, shall include the following elements: function name, function type, list of parameters, local variable declaration, and function statements, and a return statement. These are the some elements which are used in the functions. All the six elements are grouped into two parts, namely function header and function body. And the function header, in function header, what are the elements are present means function name, function type, and list of parameters. And the second one is the function body. In function body, what are the elements present means local variable declaration and function statements and return type. These are the two parts of the uh, mentioned function elements. Next, definition of functions. A general format of a function definition to implement these two parts is given below: function type, function name, in parameter list, local variable declaration, come some statements, and the return type. The first line, function type, function name, parameter, is known as the function header. This is the first part. And statements within the opening and closing braces constitute the function body, which is a compound statement. And then how the functions will works in C programming. So this is some example is given. Hash include studio.h, void function name, open and close bracket, and int main, and function name. Note, function names are identifiers and should be unique. The function name throughout the program is same. And then function definition. So what is function definition? Function definition contains the block of code to perform a specific task. In our example, adding two numbers and return it. What is the syntax we used? Return type, function name, type 1 argument 1, and type 2 argument 2. This is the some function definition. When a function is called, the control of the program is transferred to the function definition, and the compiler starts the executing the codes inside the body of the function. And then syntax of the function prototype. Prototype is the return type, function name, and then type of arguments. So in the above example, in add int add two numbers int a and b. So what is the name of the function is add numbers, and the return type is integer. To argument type also the integer type. This is the some syntax about the function prototype. Thank you.